Hello, I'm Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer, showing you a 2007 model Case 450 CT rubber track skid steer loader that we have for sale. You notice it has brand new tracks on it. Very nice machine. Has joystick controls, has the hand throttle and the foot throttle. It's an 88 horsepower machine, and it's got a little over 7,700 pound tipping capacity. It's just really a beast of a machine. As you can tell, it's very clean, honest machine. This machine has not been doctored up. There's never been a spray paint can taking a hold of this machine. I mean, every little nick and scratch that you see is on original paint. This machine has not been doctored, and it has been well taken care of. I'm gonna hand the camera over to my wife, and I'm gonna get in the machine and demonstrate it for you. It's an excellent running machine. Look at the drive sprockets. Very nice. Auxiliary hydraulics. The seat looks like new in it. Now that is a good running machine, real nice. Everything's original on it except for the tracks, and of course, you know, the maintenance on it. You know, oil, filter, stuff like that's been changed, but everything else is original on it. Very nice machine. Give me a call at 817-726-7082. Look at all of our machines that we have for sale on our website, TexasSkidSteer.com. Thank you. Have a great day.